Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel MLT Super Guide. This channel mainly aims to help those who are preparing for competitive examinations related to Medical Laboratory Technologies course. I am sure this video will definitely assist in cracking the exams they desire. Now, without delay, we'll move forward to the video. Before that, please like, subscribe and share my videos so that you will be getting instant updates about new videos. In this video, I am going to discuss about important immunology MCQs for medical laboratory technician, medical laboratory technologist, lab assistant, those who are preparing for various competitive examinations. And this is immunology part 1, contains 1 to 30 questions. First question, the resistance which individual possesses by birth is called innate immunity, acquired immunity, active immunity, all of the above. Here the right answer is option A, innate immunity. Then what is acquired immunity? The resistance acquired by an individual during life is known as acquired immunity. It is of two types, active and passive. Next question, factors influencing innate immunity. Age, hormones, nutrition, all of the above. Right answer is option D, all of the above. The two extremes of life, fetus and old persons, carry higher susceptibility to various infections. In fetus, the immune system is immature, whereas in old stage we know there is gradual waning of immune responses. Hormones, certain hormonal disorders such as diabetes mellitus, adrenal dysfunction and hypothyroidism enhance susceptibility to infections. Malnutrition is another predisposing factor to bacterial infection. And third question, what is the mechanism of phagocytes reach the site of infection attracted by chemical substances? Chemotaxis, attachment, ingestion, intracellular killing. All these options are different stages of phagocytic action. And the right answer is option A, chemotaxis. The resistance acquired by an individual during life is known as acquired immunity, innate immunity, adaptive immunity, none. The right answer is option A, acquired immunity, which is acquired by an individual during the lifetime. Ingestion of immunologically competent lymphocytes known as innate immunity, adaptive immunity, acquired immunity, herd immunity. Ingestion of immunologically competent lymphocytes known as adaptive immunity. Sixth question, what is the name of overall resistance in a community? Adaptive immunity, acquired immunity, herd immunity, passive immunity. Overall resistance in a community is known as herd immunity. The right answer is option C. When herd immunity is low, chances of epidemics increase on introduction of a suitable pathogen. Next question, foreign substances or molecules which induces an immune response in the body are called antigens, antibodies, hapten, complements. The right answer is option A, antigens. Next question, antigens are present on the surface of WBCs, plasma cells, RBCs, platelets. The right answer is option C. Antigens are present on the surface of red blood cells. Next question. Majority of antigens are carbohydrates, proteins, nucleic acids, lipids. Majority of antigens are proteins in nature. The right answer is option B, proteins. Next question. The name of antigenic determinant. Epitope, paratope, both, none. The name of antigenic determinant is known as epitope. The right answer is option A. Antigenic determinant is the smallest unit of antigenicity. Antigen possesses a number of these determinants. Each type of determinant induces a specific antibody formation. Then what is paratope? The containing site on the antibody molecule corresponding to the epitope is called the paratope. Next question, The combining site on the antibody molecule corresponding to the epitope is known as epitope, paratope, complement, all of the above. The right answer is option B, paratope. Next, immunoglobulins are synthesized by plasma cells, neutrophils, basophils, eosinophils. The right answer is option A, plasma cells. Immunoglobulins are synthesized by plasma cells. Next question, primary antibody response is by IgE, IgA, IgM, IgG. The right answer is option C, IgM. IgM is a pentamer, consists of 5 immunoglobulin subunits and 1 molecule of J chain. It appears early in response to infection before IgG. IgM antibodies are short-lived and disappear earlier than IgG. Hence, its presence in serum indicates recent infection. Major serum immunoglobulin: IgM, IgG, IgE, IgA. The right answer is option B, IgG. IgG is the major serum immunoglobulin, about 80% of the total amount. IgG appears late but persists for longer period. It appears after the initial immune response, which is IgM in nature. Next question, major immunoglobulin in the colostrum: saliva, tears. The right answer is option B, IgA. IgA is the second major serum immunoglobulin, about 10 to 13% of serum immunoglobulin. It protects the mucous membrane against microorganisms. It forms antibody based on mucosa, thus covers the microorganism to inhibit their adherence to mucosal surfaces. Next question, which immunoglobulin provides local immunity against respiratory and intestinal pathogens? IgG, IgM, IgE, IgA. The right answer is option D, IgA, which provides local immunity against respiratory and intestinal pathogens. Next question, millennial antibody molecule is IgM, IgG, IgE, IgA. The right answer is option A, IgM. Next question, the smallest molecular weight but most abundant antibody in our body: IgA, IgG, IgM, IgE. The right answer is option B, IgG. Next, blocking antibodies are known as option A, complete antibodies, option B, incomplete antibodies, both, neither. The right answer is option B, blocking antibodies are known as incomplete antibodies. Next question, the source of complement in the serum from guinea pig, sheep, rabbit, mice. The right answer is option A, guinea pig. Then what is complement? The complement refers to a system of some non-specific proteins present in normal human and animal serum which are active characteristically by antigen-antibody reaction and subsequently lead to a number of biologically significant consequences. And the term complement was coined by Paul Ehrlich. Next question, lymphocytes are activated by antigens in the lymph node, bone marrow, bloodstream, liver. The right answer is option A, lymph node. Antibody responsible for the anaphylactic type of hypersensitivity: IgA, IgE, IgM, IgG. The right answer is option B, IgE. IgE is also referred to as reagent antibody. It is heat labile in nature and mediates type 1 hypersensitivity reaction. Next question, antigens that can be antigenic when given orally: antibodies, drugs, oral vaccines, all of the above. So the right answer is option C, oral vaccines. Next question. Burns-Jones proteins are which chain of immunoglobulin? Heavy chains, light chains, both, neither. The right answer is option B, light chains. Burns-Jones proteins are seen in urine of multiple myeloma patients apart from M proteins. Next question. Septicemia is associated with the deficiency of IgA, IgD, IgM, IgG. So the right answer is option C, IgM. Septicemia is associated with the deficiency of IgM. Next question. Complement as a whole is heat labile, heat stable, photosensitive, none. Right answer is option A, heat labile. Next question. Antibody with a high valency is IgA, IgM, IgG, IgE. The right answer is option B, IgM, because it is pentavalent in nature. Next question. The kappa and lambda chains occur in the ratio 2:1, 1:2, 3:2, 2:3. The right answer is option A, 2:1. An antibody molecule consists of two identical heavy and two identical light chains. The light chains are similar in all classes of immunoglobulins. They are present in two forms, kappa and lambda chains. And in human sera, they are occur in the ratio 2:1. Next question. Immunoglobulin which has no heat stability at 56 degrees Celsius. IgA, IgM, IgG, IgE. The right answer is option D, IgE. Next question. Which antibody serves as recognition molecule on B lymphocyte surface? IgG, IgM, IgD, IgA. The right answer is option C, IgD. IgD is served as recognition molecule on B lymphocyte surface. Next 31 to 60 questions will be uploaded in my next video, Immunology Part 2. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel MLT Guide, like the video, share and press the bell icon. I believe this video will definitely help you to improve your knowledge in immunology. Thank you.